Tips to look effortlessly, look cute in school. Welcome to my channel. Are you tired of looking the same way going to school every day? Do you want to change your look and become effortlessly cute and attractive? Today, I'm going to share some simple tips on how to look effortlessly cute in school without spending hours in front of the mirror. This video is about cute makeup, outfits, hair, and accessories. Makeup. First things first, let's talk about skincare. Remember, the key to any cute look is a healthy, glowing canvas. Keep your skincare routine simple yet effective. Cleanse, moisturize, and don't forget sunscreen. Keep your makeup light and fresh. Instead of heavy foundation, opt for a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream to even out your skin tone. Add a touch of blush to your cheeks for a natural flush. Swipe on some mascara to define your lashes, and finish off with a tinted lip balm for a hint of color. Outfits. Let's talk about outfits. Comfort is key, but that doesn't mean you can't be stylish. Choose comfortable yet stylish outfits. Look for pieces that are easy to mix and match. Opt for pieces that you feel confident and comfortable in. A cute graphic tee paired with high-waisted jeans or a flowy skirt with a simple top can instantly elevate your look. Hair. Embrace effortless hairstyles. Instead of spending hours styling your hair, opt for simple hairstyles that you can do in minutes, like a messy bun, a sleek ponytail, or loose waves. Don't be afraid to experiment with different hair accessories to add a cute touch to your look. Accessories. Accessories are your best friends. A dainty necklace, some hoops, or a cute hair accessory can add that extra charm to your outfit without trying too hard. Last but not least, let's not forget about the backpack. Choose one that complements your outfit and reflects your personal style. And don't overload it with unnecessary stuff. Keep it light and organized. Stay hydrated and get plenty of rest. Taking care of your body from the inside out is key to looking and feeling your best. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin glowing and your energy levels up. And make sure to get enough sleep each night for a refreshed and radiant appearance. And there you have it, lovelies. Looking effortlessly cute in school is all about embracing your natural beauty and expressing yourself with confidence. Remember, it's not about what you wear, but how you wear it. Until next time, stay fabulous.